Hello children. In our last video, we have studied about migration and its types. Today we will learn about the impact of migration. The migration has economic, social, demographic, environmental and other impact on the society. Now first we will start with the impact of migration on economy. This impact of migration is both positive as well as negative. Coming first to positive impact of migration on economy of society. Remittances or the money sent home from the international migrants for food, repayment of loans, construction of houses are important for the economy of a country. It boosts the economy. In Bangladesh, for example, 2 billion US dollars is received from the citizens who have emigrated overseas. On the other hand, the negative impact of migration on economy is overcrowding due to unregulated migration, development of unhygienic slums in industrially developed states like Maharashtra, Gujarat, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Delhi are some of the effects. Now the second point of discussion is impact of migration on demography of India. Again, positive impact is redistributing of population within the country. The process of urbanization is also dependent on rural-urban migration. So this is a positive impact. Again, negative impact is imbalance in demographic structure. Age and sex composition is seriously affected in states of Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Eastern Maharashtra. Now coming to third point, that is social consequences. Now these consequences again are both positive as well as negative. Positive is as such migrants diffuse new ideas of science and technology, family planning, girls' education, etc. from one place to other. People also bring different cultures with them, which help to break the narrow considerations and broaden the mental horizon of people. This is all about positive social impact of migration. Now negative is that it creates social vacuum and feeling of ejection. This results in antisocial activities such as crime, drug abuse, theft, etc. Now the last is impact of migration on environment. Talking about negative impacts, there is large-scale overcrowding in the cities and puts lot of pressure on the infrastructure. It also results in unplanned growth of cities in which slums are very common. Overcrowding is also related to overexploitation of natural resources and cities are facing water shortage, air and water pollution, problem of sewage and management of solid waste. In general, other effects of migration are when male migrants leave their wives in rural areas, this puts extra physical and mental pressure on women. It also weakens the joint family system if migrants settle permanently in urban areas. The older people in the villages have to manage by themselves while the younger ones live in urban areas. There is a rapid increase in labor supply in urban cities, but the lack of demand of unskilled and uneducated rural migrants causes unemployment in urban areas. Recently, people have been migrating in India as well as other parts of the world. There have been instances where maximum migration has occurred from the states of Rajasthan, Jammu and Kashmir, Bihar and the northeastern states, mainly in search of jobs and for education to cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Pune, etc. It has also been recorded that millions of refugees from Tibet, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, etc. due to various political and economic factors like internal conflicts, lack of good governance, unemployment, etc. have migrated to India. This migration, on one hand, leads to intermixing of culture, but on the other hand creates a pressure on the existing social and physical infrastructure. So children, today we have studied the impact of migration on society. We have done economic, demographic, social, environmental and other impact. In our next class, we will continue with brain drain topic.